By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to know how a single catastrophic event can cause extinction on a massive scale. Fossil evidence shows that at times there have been mass extinction on a global scale. During these events, most of the species on Earth died out. Scientists suggest that the cause of this mass extinction is a single catastrophic event, such as the volcanic eruption or the collision of giant asteroids with the surface of Earth. And they also explain that these events will affect the climate over a long period of time, which in return would has impact on the extinction rates. Now let's take one example, which is the extinction of the dinosaurs. The most recent mass extinction that scientists studied is the extinction of the dinosaurs, which happened around 65 million years ago. There was two theories about how the dinosaurs become extinct. The first one is that the scientists agreed that there was a giant asteroid collided with the Earth in Mexico, and this happened around 65 million years ago. This hypothesis was based on several conditions. First, scientists found that there is a huge crater which was 180 kilometers in diameter there, and they identified a layer of rock formed from the crater debris in countries across the world. And as you move away from the crater, the thinner the layer of the crater debris in the rock. In addition, they also found a mineral that is only formed when rock is hit by a massive force such as the asteroid strike. This mineral is called iridium. They also explained that the asteroid impact would cause huge fires, earthquakes, and tsunamis. And because of this, several amounts of material would have been blasted into the atmosphere. So there will be dust in the atmosphere, and this will make almost everything dark. And because of this, the plants will struggle to survive, and there will be a drop in temperature. So, around 50 to 70% of all living species, including the dinosaurs, became extinct. And this was the first theory. However, another theory suggests that the extinction of the dinosaurs started sooner, which is around 137 million years ago, and that it was much slower than previously thought. This theory is based on the melting of the sea ice, which was caused by global warming. And this drop in the sea temperature triggered the mass extinction. Scientists thought this because their evidence is based on an unexpected change in fossils and minerals that they found in the areas of Norway. In conclusion, perhaps both of the theories played their part in the extinction of dinosaurs. What is certain is that it will be a very long time before there is enough evidence for scientists to be completely sure.